In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Google Analytics with Netlify. This process will enable you to track your website's performance and gain valuable insights into your visitors' behavior. Let's dive right in and get this set up together. First, we're going to head over to Google Analytics. Open up your web browser and go to the Google Analytics website. Once you're there, look for the admin gear icon located at the bottom left corner of the page. Clicking on this will take you to the admin section, where we can manage our account settings. Next, we're going to focus on the data streams section. This is where you can manage and view the data streams for your property. Click on Data Streams, and you'll see a list of your current data streams. If you haven't set one up yet, you'll need to create a new data stream for your Netlify site. Click on your desired data stream to open up its settings. Here, you should see various options and configurations. We are particularly interested in the tagging settings, so go ahead and click on Configure Tag Settings. This will allow us to manage how data is sent to Google Analytics. Once inside the tag settings, look for the option to install this Google tag. Clicking on it will give you two choices: installing via a third-party tool or doing it manually. We'll be going with the manual installation, so select Install Manually. Doing this will present you with a snippet of code. This code is critical, as it's what you'll be embedding into your Netlify site. With your Google Analytics code copied, let's move over to Netlify. Open your Netlify account and navigate to the dashboard. Locate the project where you want to integrate Google Analytics. Once you've selected your project, go to the Project Configuration section. This is where you'll manage various settings related to your Netlify site. Within the project configuration, find the Post-Processing section. This is where you can add custom snippets of code that will run after your site is built. Click on Post-Processing, and you'll see an option to add a snippet. Paste the Google Analytics code you copied earlier into this section. By adding this snippet, you're effectively embedding Google Analytics into your Netlify site. This means you can now begin collecting data about your site's traffic and visitor interactions. Make sure to save your changes, and you're all set. Congratulations! You've successfully integrated Google Analytics with your Netlify site. Now you can start analyzing your website's data and make informed decisions to enhance your online presence. Thank you for watching, and feel free to reach out if you have any questions or need further assistance.